Okay, quick rundown on installing the backup camera on a 2013 Volkswagen Golf. It's a TDI version. There's the camera in the unit after I got it all in. Not too many caveats. This wire was where the original, I just had a handle. I didn't have a camera installed before. But you have to go over here and plug that wire to the original one over here, and this is for the way the camera comes. Now, one caveat I had was I pinched one of the wires right under here, and I broke one of the wires. I discovered it right off, which was a good thing because I would have hated to have gotten it all together and realized something was wrong. I probably would have blamed the camera, but I cut all the wires that are in that bundle. There's a lot of them. They're little tiny wires, and I spliced them here. So that was the only real problem I had. I run the wire. There's two cables. One of them was red, one of them was black. Now the black wire and the coax that goes to the camera, I ran them along this. Here I had to take all the plastic off, down through there, through this little boot thing, which isn't all the way connected yet. Then I just followed the bundle around, down, through, goes over to the other side. Then I followed the bundle down to the bottom, and then I just pushed it up under here, and along that plastic comes out right here, goes up underneath here, comes out right here, and I used one of these handy dandy I don't know what they're called, but it's just an added fuse line to an existing fuse. So you got two wires or one wire coming off for an additional fuse, and then you got the original fuse plugged into it also right there. Looks like this. Anyway, made it real simple. Now, I couldn't see why the instructions wanted me to run a whole bunch of ground wire all the way back to the front of the car. So I went to a local ground right here, and it works just fine. So I only ran the red wire and the coax to the front. Easy peasy, a lot easier than if I had to have run 3 wires instead of just 2. Not a lot easier, but a little bit easier. Anyway, that's my install. It tested out, it works fine. I have not hooked up the coaxial yet, so I don't have a camera image, but the latch works, and the camera opens and closes like it's supposed to when you put it in reverse. The reverse wire is a blue wire that, well, actually I hooked it up over here. Here's the blue wire, and it's spliced straight in to this very end wire here. And I didn't trust anything off the internet, so I metered these out, making sure that this was hot when it went into reverse and turned off when you took it out of reverse. Just goes over here to the light. All right, that's about it for now. Thank you.